Alright, this is day 236 of me trying to create the next Harry Potter book series. For you who are new, you can go down in the description and I have a bit of an introductory thing, a text of what I've written or like what the plot will be so far. And yeah, it's just a very simple and introductory type of text, but you can have a go and read it. Now for the documentation for today, I thought about how important it is to be able, how important research is a part of creating a book or a book series, because, well, when you think about George R. Martin or J.K. Rowling, they did plenty of research for their books, and when you read something that has a lot of depth, that has a lot of like effort and someone who has like really struggled and tried to figure out all the details, you can feel it as the reader. And George R. Martin is a very clear example because his world feels very deep and he's thought a lot about it. I don't know if he's fully researched it, but he's put a lot of like mind power towards it. And I believe doing research even just in your own head and figuring things out is a very important part. And I also think it's smart to give space for when to research and for when to not, and relax and maybe just let the subconscious work in the background and let the information that you have previously, when you had more cognitive power, etc., in the early stages of the day, for example, that you let that information just work subconsciously when you rest in the evening. And then, yeah, that's kind of it. I think research is a very big, important part. You also learn a lot, which again can't hurt your scenes when you know more words. For example, if you used something, read something, you figure out the definitions, the words, you have figured out different concepts, you suddenly now understand a scene much more. So yeah, that's it for this day. Another day into a very long journey. Take care.